Welcome. It is a brand new year, and as excited as I am for me, actually, this new era of who I am, I really hope that it's the same for you. You know, the last couple of months have been really crazy, maybe even the last year or two, and now we're ready to show up so we can get different results, right? Making different moves. So what I am working on and introducing to you all today is gonna be the 2025 Hair Challenge. Yes, and it has a bunch of brand new products, not even released to the general public. Like there might have been some doorbusters and a few little specials here and there. These are not available yet, not readily available like by individual items. And so I've created this amazing package of these masks and treatments, and also this amla infused hair growth mask that is so versatile, so good, especially for those with very dry hair and also type 4 hair types, especially so. It's got a lot of slip. Mind you, all the mask and treatments can be used by everyone, but do note that you have to use these according to oily, normal, and also dry hair types, meaning like you might have to adjust something. But generally, the Ayurvedic hair treatments that I'm about to introduce to you are great for everyone. If you have dry hair, the amla hair growth oil mask is especially amazing because it gives so much slip, easy to detangle. Like, I'm just so proud of it. That's how happy I'm like about this new product. Super proud of it, and that it promotes hair growth is even better. Introduce some of the products that I have here to you that are included in it. You know, there's going to be hydrating masks. There's going to be a new Henna anagen mask, and that is about hair growth, focusing on your hair growth cycle. We're going to be using it in a way that, you know, we want to see those results. Like, it's just not use the products and like wonder, you know, if it's actually working. And do note, Henna anagen, it's a cycle. It's like your skin, you know, you have to definitely give it some time to like start working. So this is a 6-week hair challenge where we go through everything and we're using the products in a way. First of all, I feel like this is a definitely 100% like a recommended regimen plan and method for you guys to use. Cleansing your hair, again, promoting the hair growth, making sure your hair is moisturized, it's getting good moisture. We just want beautiful, healthy hair, and we want to feel good about ourselves, and we want to make these new moves to show up differently for ourselves, for our bodies, to be natural, using like truly natural products. Cleansing, co-washer, conditioner, beauty and scent of just natural ingredients. I mean, because it just smells so good. You know, it smells good, the essential oils and the infusions. And also, I've created this hair challenge in a way that also reduces a lot of the like figuring out like how much of every herb do I need, you know, like to make the mask like give me the right results that I'm looking for, right? So I took all that out for you. So it's basically a lot of less DIY. Like, you're not gonna have to do a whole lot of extra steps. It's very minimalistic, simple, easy. Basically, you just have to either you add some water, some conditioner. You have the options to use any liquid that you want that your hair does like. Start with warm to hot distilled water. Every week we're gonna do a treatment. Everything's gonna be included, all the products you need, the 6 weeks of like that whole regimen planned, all the details. I'm there with you. I'm gonna be coming on live this time in our private Facebook group, because you'll have access to like a full private support group. It's gonna be linked through Facebook because that's the easiest way to make a private group. You don't have to have a Facebook account. You can create a fake Facebook account as long as we know who you are when you're joining, because you have to sign up in order to get all the products, get the 6 weeks of support, be in the private group, get in the live sessions with me. We're gonna be going live together where you can ask me anything you want as well, like any type of Ayurvedic support. But we're specifically gonna focus on, you know, what's going on with your hair after each of the treatments, how you're feeling, overall, like what your experience has been. And then if you have to make any tweaks, we're gonna go over that too. So you get full advantage of 6 weeks. Yes, 6 weeks of just showing up differently for yourself. Because sometimes we do the same old, you know, the results basically are the same old. So in this hair challenge, everything, we're gonna be pushing the limits of you, your hair, your being, your self-worth, you know, you showing up differently for yourself. So that way you can get exactly what you want, your goals. 2025 just feels like an invigorating year. First of all, the numbers add up to 9. 9 is so powerful. It's like renewal. It's the ending of a cycle. You're going into something new. Take all the tidbits, whether you believe in it or not. Don't put yourself in a box. Just know that everything is energy, and energy is everything. Hennasooq is a lifestyle brand. From 2005 till now, opening the salon, seeing you sit in our seats, and being that one-on-one interaction, it is like a whole evolution. And I want you to experience the evolution of who you are. We've grown up together. Yes, we have. We've grown and we've been through a lot of ups and downs. We're still here. We are still here. And I want you to truly do something for yourself. Use this, tap into yourself, show up for yourself, get the results that you're looking for by doing things in a different type of way. So this hair challenge is for all hair types, all hair textures, everyone. Yes, everyone can take part. Our products do not conflict with any of those chemical treatments. They are pure, natural, no metallic salts, SLS free, by the way, no additives, no compound. Henna, this is like a treatment that is not gonna color your hair, but there is a but. There is henna anagen, and it has not been fully tested on a lot of variety of hair types, so it may deposit a reddish tint, but the percentage in the henna anagen, we have a lot of amla and aloe. It's a different formulation where the focus is not necessarily just the henna as the primary this time, because I really want to focus on that growth cycle. Amla, aloe, and henna are great herbs for just getting really good hair growth. And also you're gonna be treating your scalp, where a lot of issues sometimes arise. We're gonna be talking about how often should you wash your hair, answering those type of questions. When and how do you do the treatment? Do you apply it in a different type of way because of your hair type? We're gonna be going through it all. And so you do not wanna miss this hair challenge. It is a huge $222 value. And right now it's only $99. Yeah, for the whole package. And guess what? Because it's $99, it also ships to you for free if you are in the US. So, there's no reason to say no. I want you guys to sign up today. The link's gonna be in the description. I'm gonna also just tag it in one of the products here in this video, that now that we can do YouTube shopping. It's gonna be right there so you can sign up and join us. It's limited time only, so sign up now before it ends, before the signups close. Do it as soon as you can, because this is probably one of the best hair challenges that we are gonna have yet. So you don't wanna miss access to all these great new products. Too fabulous to pass up. They really are. And you're also getting first dibs on these new products. So sign up today. I wanna thank you guys, for tuning to the Hennasooq channel. Make sure that you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that you can get access to all of our great videos. 2025, I'm coming to you with a whole lot of new. I got you covered, and I am so excited to see what this year brings and how everything that it's gonna be this year. I'm so excited. So thank you, join us, and I'll see you there in the class soon. Yes.